The Bohr model worksheet was assigned for homework. I'm going to go over two of the problems to help make sure you understand how to take an element and draw the valence electrons in the appropriate shells. In class you learned that around the nucleus of an atom, and I'm going to write N for nucleus in this picture, that you need to draw electrons in their shells around the nucleus of an atom. The shell names are K, L, and M. The K shell can hold 2 electrons, the L 8, and the M 8. As a reminder, you need to fill one shell first with electrons before you move on to the next shell. The goal for this homework is for you to also tell me the number of outer or valence electrons. The first example, magnesium. You need to take a look at your periodic table and find magnesium. Magnesium has an atomic number of 12. The 12 tells me 12 protons and 12 electrons. I need to show those 12 electrons around the nucleus of this magnesium atom. In the K shell, I can have 2. 1, 2. The L shell, I can have 8. Eight plus 2 is 10. How many more electrons do I need? Just 2 more to show all 12. 1, 2. Now I'm showing the 12 electrons that orbit the nucleus of the magnesium atom. You then need to tell me how many valence electrons are. The valence electrons are the electrons that live in the outermost shell of your atom. 2. One more example. Let's look at sodium. Find sodium on your chart. On your periodic table, sodium is right next to magnesium. Its symbol is Na. 11, that tells you the number of protons and electrons. Here is the nucleus of this sodium atom. I need to show 11 electrons that orbit the sodium atom. Here's my K shell. How many electrons? Just 2 can fit in the K shell. Once I finish filling the K shell, I can go to the L shell. 8 electrons live in the L shell. 8 plus 2 is 10. Sodium has 11 electrons. I just need 1 more in the M shell. You're going to be asked how many valence electrons does sodium have? It has 1 in that M shell, that outer shell. Valence electrons equal 1. Please try the other 6 problems, and if you need my help, please come see me.